Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on disassembling the HP 250G8 laptop. In this video, we'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips #1 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a cleaning brush. Having these tools at hand will make the disassembly process smoother. Begin by shutting down your laptop completely and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery to ensure safety during the procedure. If you're unsure about performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, just to give you peace of mind. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 Phillips screws holding the bottom cover in place. Use your Phillips #1 screwdriver to carefully remove each screw and place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the bottom cover removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Now is a great time to clean the inside of your laptop. Use a cleaning brush to gently remove dust and debris from the fan and other components. If you're hesitant about cleaning it yourself, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. Next, let's take a look at the hard drive and RAM. To remove the hard drive, locate the retaining screws and use your screwdriver again. Once unscrewed, gently lift the hard drive from its bay. For RAM, you will need to release the clips on either side of the RAM module. Pull it out carefully, ensuring not to touch the gold connectors. After cleaning and inspecting these parts, if you encounter any issues, don't forget that we offer a quote before repair so you know exactly what to expect. Now, let's reassemble the laptop. Start by placing the RAM and hard drive back in their respective slots. Ensure they are secured properly. Then, replace the bottom cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips click into place. Finally, reinsert all screws into their original positions. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the laptop's casing. Once you have completed the assembly, reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. You successfully disassembled and reassembled your HP 250G8 laptop. If you feel overwhelmed at any point, remember, no calls, no travel, just a hassle-free experience with our services available at your fingertips. Thank you for following along with this guide. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.